Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to learn acrylic pouring. So for acrylic pouring we need a pouring medium. I'm using this one. We need some bowls. We need a rough cloth. We need some spoons to pour. We need paints, different colors, whichever you like. Okay, so we will start. It's very simple method and I'm sure you all will enjoy this video. Before starting anything, please spread a newspaper and make sure that the level is same. Okay, the level of table is same. It's not up and down. You can use spread balance also. If you don't have pouring medium, then you can use even the soap. So this is Brewster's Professional High Gloss Pouring Medium, which I'm going to use. Our first step is to pour the medium on the tray. Normally, we should tilt it and then spread it equally everywhere. But I'm just using a brush right now. This is my first color. So Daler and Rowney's Graduate Acrylic 225 number, burnt umber. Mix it very well. Now second shade, I'm going to use the gold. We'll make sure there are no lumps in it. For that we have to really mix it very well. This is very concentrate. So I'm going to mix some more liquid, and to give a bright color in it, I'm going to add little bit of yellow paint in it. Our third color is white, and now this is Fevicryl's white paint. The first color is white. And once this tray will dry, after 4-5 days, then I will give a coat of transparent resin on it. So resin will make it waterproof. This is a very good quality tray, pure wood tray. It's not MDF. And now I will leave it for at least 24 hours to get the pattern done. I'm sure you like the tutorial. Kindly write in comment box how do you find the tutorial. Kindly like, subscribe and share the tutorial with your family and friends. help me to grow my channel. Dhanyavad. Namaste.